All right. You've been trying to make money with affiliate marketing and you still have not seen any success yet. So there's only one thing left for me to do. I'm going to personally hand over my $6,000 per month affiliate marketing business for 100% free. What's going on, guys? My name is Alex, and you heard me correctly. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how I made $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing, and you're going to be able to copy my exact sales funnel, my exact email autoresponder, and everything. You're going to get everything built and made for you. All you have to do is switch out your affiliate link and maybe a picture or two there. So make sure you stay to the end and definitely leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. So chances are, if you're watching this video, you've shown an interest in affiliate marketing and making money online. But the problem is you haven't seen results in the past, but I'm here to tell you that stops today. I'm going to give you exactly my business formula. You're going to copy my exact sales funnel, get access to the exact emails I personally use, and understand how to drive traffic to it just like I personally do. The time to start making money is today. I'm going to go over everything on how to switch out the affiliate link so you get credited for each sale and start to generate a lot of sales. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. And as always, guys, make sure you stay to the end of the video because it's something you don't want to miss, especially if you're under the age of 18. I have something special for you guys at the end of the video, so make sure you watch and stay to the end. All right, guys, so I make a really great content for you guys every single week, so make sure you subscribe, and if you're enjoying the video, definitely leave a like. So the time is here. I know you've been waiting, you've been dying. How can I get to $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing just like Alex? I'm gonna literally hand you over everything, the keys to my business, and all you have to do is just copy and paste a few things, okay? So just like any other business though, guys, you do need to have some form of an investment. I'm giving you the information for free, but you do need to purchase the same softwares I personally use. That's the way I ran my business. So what are the softwares? What do I need to spend money on? Let's get straight into it. So there's only about, I would say, 3 things you need to spend money on. The first thing is Clickfunnels. And Clickfunnels right here, this is the back office of Clickfunnels. But Clickfunnels is what I use to make my website. Clickfunnels is what you're going to need to host your affiliate link and offer, and I'm going to get into that. So basically, this is the website right here that I use to generate a lot of money every single month. So Clickfunnels, in the description, you're going to have the opportunity to paste the link and copy my sales funnel, and all you have to do is you can sign up with Clickfunnels for 2 weeks for free, and after that, it's $97 a month. I know it's a little pricey, but when you think about making $6,000 a month, $97 isn't really too bad. That is one thing. The second thing you're going to need is GetResponse. This is how you're going to follow up with your leads. Now, if you're not too familiar with affiliate marketing, you need to be able to follow up with your potential leads every time they enter your website. So for example, and we're going to go over this in more detail, before they get offered the program that I'm going to promote to them, they need to enter their email. And the important part of entering their email is, just in case they don't buy today, me sending out emails every single day or every other week is going to allow them to be reminded of the product and keep it in the back of their mind so they don't forget. So you basically increase your chances of getting each sale. And last thing, you're going to need to promote something. Obviously, this is how you make money. And the course that I personally promoted and the program I promote is the Legendary Marketer's 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. GetResponse, you can sign up for $15. Again, link in my description to get access to that. I'm going to be giving you the emails so you don't have to make any emails. I'm going to be giving you the emails and showing you how to use those emails and how to put your affiliate link in them. It's really straightforward. But it's important that you go to the description of this YouTube video, click those links so they copy over into your dashboard so you don't have to go out and make things from scratch. You're literally just copying my business over. Pretty straightforward. So ClickFunnels, $97 a month, GetResponse, $15 a month, and the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge is $7 to get it. It's a one-time payment of $7. You need to go through all 15 days and unlock it. Once you complete 15 days, 15 modules, which you can go at your own pace. You don't have to do it all in one day, or you don't have to do it all in 2 to 3 weeks. It depends on how fast you want to complete it. But this is a course that teaches you how to make money online with affiliate marketing, how to start your own profitable, your own profitable affiliate marketing business. So it's imperative that you complete this program. You'll unlock each day. It's pretty easy. They're just going to go over, tips and tricks on how to start your own profitable online business. Once you complete it, you can apply to become an affiliate. Most people get accepted. If not everyone gets accepted, I don't know anyone that's ever been rejected. You don't need to have a following on social media or anything like that. Just apply. Once you complete that, you'll become an affiliate, and you'll have an affiliate link, and I'm gonna show you where to paste your affiliate link. So whenever someone purchases it from you, you'll make a sale. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to go into more detail as the video goes on, so make sure you stay to the end. And if you're under the age of 18 and you can't sign up for the 15-day business builder challenge, be aware there's another program that I want you guys to sign up with and still utilize your affiliate link as well. So make sure you stay to the end. So let's get into it and let's copy my business. All right, guys, so what exactly are we going to be promoting here? So as I had mentioned before, the 15-day business builder challenge isn't just a course. You can also sign up to become an affiliate and also help other people start their own profitable make money online or affiliate marketing business, and it's really great. So once you go through all 15 modules, sign up to become an affiliate, you're going to get access to the dashboard here. So you're going to go to the account tab and then go to affiliates. Then you're going to hit funnels. Then you're going to click the business challenge, and you're going to go to affiliate links. Like I said, once you complete the challenge, you'll have access to all the affiliate links here, and we're going to scroll all the way down to sales page, right? So this right here is going to be your affiliate link, and then all you have to do is hit copy, and that's your affiliate link. So now if anyone else clicks on this affiliate link and buys the challenge through you, you'll make a commission or a percentage of that sale, and this is how we're going to scale the business up to thousands of dollars per month. Now, if you're under the age of 18, you cannot become an affiliate for the Legendary Marketers 15-day business builder challenge, unfortunately, but don't lose hope, because I have another program that you can do under the age of 18 from anywhere in the world, and that is the Freedom Breakthrough. Once again, guys, all the links to everything you'll need will be in the description, so make sure you read the description very carefully and get access to your links. The Freedom Breakthrough program is $7, just like Legendary Marketer, and it also has a quick training guide, and once you complete it, you can become an affiliate. This can be completed within 3 days. So regardless of who you are, you can go with either one, but if you're under the age of 18, you must go with this program because Legendary Marketer doesn't accept people under the age of 18. So you go through the 3 days, you'll learn a little bit more about affiliate marketing. Then you're going to click this become an affiliate. And then you're going to access to become an affiliate, where you earn 50% commissions on any sale. Once you become an affiliate, most people get accepted. I don't know anyone that's been denied. Then you'll get your affiliate links. So now that we have the affiliate links, we know what we're promoting. Let's copy my website and put your affiliate links in my website and start generating some sales. Okay, so now we have our product and our affiliate links. Now it's time to put them on a website and start promoting them. So this right here is the exact same funnel and website I personally use to generate thousands of dollars per month, and I'm going to literally hand it over to you. It's going to be made in everything. All you have to do is to change a few things. So this is what the website looks like, but we have to look at it in the back office of Clickfunnels here. Like I said, Clickfunnels has a 2-week free trial, and after that it's $97 a month. I know it's kind of pricey, but it's going to be worth it in the end, because the best websites and the best funnels convert the best. This is how I've made $6,000 a month doing this. So if I go into settings here and I go into share funnel, I'm literally going to be giving you the link to my funnel. So for example, I'm going to copy this, and in the description of this YouTube video, you're going to get the exact link to this, so you could just copy over my funnel. And if I pull up a different tab here and paste this exact funnel through, you're going to see this pop up on your screen. It's going to give you the option to sign up for Clickfunnels. You're just going to click this option over here, the Clickfunnels 14 days for free, and then $97 a month. You sign up, put your name and address in, and put your credit card information in, because you will be billed after that. But if you don't like Clickfunnels and you want to cancel your membership, you can always have the opportunity to cancel. But I recommend it. It's literally copying my website over. I personally use Clickfunnels, and it's awesome. So now that we have that out the way, let's actually edit it, so you can now just put your information in, so you get credited for your sales. So we're just going to hit the edit page, and you're literally going to get the funnel sent straight to your account. Actually, let me go back. So once you sign up for Clickfunnels and you copy my funnel, you're going to go to the tab Clickfunnels here and click Funnels, and then you're going to have, it's going to probably say something like copy funnel or something like that. You're just going to click that. Once you click that, it's going to open up the funnel made for you and everything. All you have to do is change a few things, because my affiliate links will be in there, so you don't want that. You want to change a few things. So all this stuff is good. At the bottom there, if you want to put your email, just put your email there, phone number, and obviously we're in the year 2021 now, so you just change this. After that, you're going to click this button here, and everything here looks good, but you're going to hit set action, and make sure everything looks good here. So it should say submit order, submit form. So like I said, everything is good. So we're going to go back into this later, but what we're going to do is go to integration. And I have the Aweber list connected, but we're going to be using GetResponse, and I'm going to show you how to connect GetResponse, which is our email auto provider, to Clickfunnels. But for now, just make sure you do those slight changes. We'll go back to this later. After that, we're just going to make sure you save at the top right here. Going to go back, and then we're going to move over to the bridge page. If I hit edit page now, if you don't know, the bridge page kind of is a warm-up video that kind of explains to your viewers what the product or promotion that you're providing is. All this stuff is good. I'm going to leave a description. In the description, I'm going to leave a video or a document on how to record your bridge page video, exactly what you need to say, and how to make a quick 2-3 minute bridge page video. Mine is pretty quick and easy. To change yours though, we're going to go over, just click this button here. I have a YouTube, but you can do any of these options right here. You can make a YouTube video and unlist it and upload it. It's pretty simple. So this part is also important here. You want to replace this picture of me with a picture of you. So just click it, click this image button, and just upload an image from your computer. After that, you just click it and save, and then you're good to go. So all this stuff is pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Obviously, if your name's not Alex, you want to change this right here, so you just double click. If your name's John, just type your name, John. Pretty simple stuff, nothing too complicated, and that's pretty straightforward. So the two big things that you want to change here is just your name and where you live. All this other stuff is fine, and the bridge page video. And the last thing you want to change is your affiliate link. So if we click this button here, click settings, we're going to hit set action. And this is where you're going to put your affiliate link, and also make sure it opens in a new tab. So this is where you put your affiliate link. So like I said, if you became an affiliate for Legendary Marketer or for Jonathan's Freedom Breakthrough, you're going to have access to your affiliate link. So you just hit copy here, then you go back to it, and then just paste your affiliate link in there. You're going to do that for this button here, and you're also going to do that for this button here. Just hit set action, and paste your affiliate link. After that, you're literally done. Your website's built, made. You're just going to hit save and publish, and that's your website. You already have an affiliate link, a website built. There's only one more thing to do, actually two more things to do. Connect your email autoresponder and get emails going, and also drive traffic to this exact $6,000 a month funnel. So let's get straight into it. So before we move on to the auto email responder, let's get into the bridge page script for Legendary Marketer. This is the exact script I'm going to be handing over to you guys. This is when you go to the bridge page over here, this is going to be on the second page. So after someone enters their email, they're going to be greeted with a video of you briefly going over the product of Legendary Marketer. So I'm going to be handing you guys this. It's going to be in the link in the description to get access to this document. And this is exactly what you can use and copy. So you don't have to worry about figuring out how to make your own video or bridge page video. You can just copy this exact script right here. So I'll be sure to leave that in the description. And also I'm going to be handing you guys emails as well. So right here, I'm going to be handing you guys 9 emails that you can use that have been proven to convert really well. And you can literally just copy it over. It's going to have exact instructions. So for example, right here, you're going to insert your affiliate link. Right here is where you're going to put your name. And all you're doing is copy pasting, guys. It's nothing crazy. So once again, in the description, it's going to give you access to GetResponse. And this is what you're going to get access to. It's probably one of the best email autoresponders on the market. It's $15 a month initially to sign up. Once you are signed up, what you're going to want to do is go to the menu here, and you're going to go into automation. You're going to hit open up here. And I have a list going right here, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can just copy over my email list and make everything pretty smooth and easy. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be dragging and dropping. So for example, we're going to drag and drop this icon here. So whenever someone subscribes to our email list, then we're going to put a timer. So if we just scroll down here on the right hand side, we can see that the timer, which is this wait icon here, we're going to put that there. And I'm just going to put wait for 5 minutes, and then we're going to send a message. So the send message button is right here. And once we click on that email, we can create a new message or anything like that. All we have to do is literally copy and paste, right? So we'll put the subject line. So if we go back to that document here, the subject line would be this right here. Let me introduce myself, Pix Inside, and then we would simply paste it in here. We don't really need to do anything crazy. We just hit design message, and then we're going to go to new blank templates, and we're just going to use blank template. And then we're simply just going to copy and paste. We're going to drag this text image over here, and we're literally just going to copy and paste. So you would just highlight all this stuff, copy it. Actually, you would go to file here, make a copy, hit OK. So this, because you can't access this copy, you're just going to make a copy for yourself. It's going to paste it over, and then all you have to do is just highlight everything, hit copy, then you're going to go into here and then hit paste. You're going to make the font a lot smaller than that. To make the font smaller, all we have to do here is put it like down to 13 should do good. And then obviously where it says your name, you're going to erase that and put your name, and where it says put link to affiliate link, you're going to put your affiliate link here and erase this. So for example, you'd erase this here and then double click this. Actually, you just click this link button here, and put your affiliate link here. So the same exact affiliate link you used on the website is where you're going to put your email, your affiliate link here. You're going to do that for each email. Then you're going to save, and that is the last step you need to do. So you're going to do that for all 9 emails. And then the last thing we need to do now is connect GetResponse to Clickfunnels, and then we're going to go into traffic. And the last step, guys, is to connect a GetResponse to Clickfunnels. So when someone goes onto your Clickfunnels website, they enter their email, it will go straight to GetResponse, and they'll start the email sequence. So the first thing we're going to need to do is go to the top right here, and go into account settings. After you do that, you're going to want to, actually before we do that, we're actually going to need to go to GetResponse here. We're going to go to GetResponse, and we need to generate an API key to connect the two together. So we're going to go to GetResponse. Once again, link in the description to sign up for GetResponse, $15 a month. You get to copy over my exact email list and everything. So after you do that, you're going to hit menu. Then you're going to go to integrations and API. We're going to hit the open pop-up button here. And then we're going to hit this API, and then we're going to open that up. And we're going to hit generate API key. You can name your API key whatever you want. I'm just going to name it Clickfunnels, hit generate. And then you could just copy that. Okay, so that is your API key. Then you're going to go over back to Clickfunnels. You're going to hit the account settings. Then you're going to click integrations here. And I already have GetResponse connected, but if you don't have it connected, just hit GetResponse. You're going to click on that. You're going to add new integration. You're going to hit add new integration, then hit GetResponse. Click on that. You're going to name it whatever you want to name it, and paste your key in there. Okay. So once you do that, you hit add integration, and now GetResponse is connected, and you have to now connect it to your funnel. So we're then going to go to the top here, hit funnels. We're going to go to our funnel, and we're going to hit edit page. And then last but not least, we're going to go to settings, integrations. Then for this one, I have Aweber, but we're going to do GetResponse. Then you're going to click add a campaign, and whatever you name your list is what you're going to click there. Boom. And once it's connected like that, you have the green check mark. You hit save, and there you go. Boom, bang, bang. You're connected. You now have a full running affiliate marketing business ready to go. And there you go. All right, guys. So that is my $6,000 per month business in a nutshell. If you guys decide to copy the funnel and you're struggling at any point, feel free to head over to my Instagram, Financially Free Alex, and shoot me a DM. I'm willing to help anyone that just lets me know, hey, Alex, I copied your funnel and I need a little bit of help. Shoot me a DM and I'll get to you within 48 hours or so. So the last thing is traffic. How can I get a lot of traffic to my website, to my affiliate offer? I actually also made a little under a 10-minute video on how to get a lot of fast and free traffic in minutes. Definitely head over to my YouTube channel that you're on right now, and head over to the video, Get Fast and Free Traffic, how to get a lot of traffic to your website for free. And really fast. So you can head over to this video right here, watch that, and you'll learn exactly how to drive a lot of traffic for free, organic traffic, without having a massive following on social media to do it. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video helped. Please let me know if you need any help whatsoever. Shoot me a DM on Instagram. Once again, my name is Financially Free Alex, and definitely check the description to sign up with all the affiliate offers and everything going through there. So with that being said, I hope you guys all enjoyed. Definitely leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys all next time. Take care.